Hello everyone, my name is the Rad Man, and I'm going to show you two ways that you can get back your icon for your Steam games if after either a just operating system reset or just if just one day randomly all your games, like mine for instance, have forgotten where their icons are, except for like a Hat in Time I installed after this happened, so it has an icon, and Dying Light, Factorio, and Grand Theft Auto, there it is. I've already done this method on, so I know it works, and the first way I'm going to show you works about half the time. Sometimes you'll have to do it twice in certain instances, but the second type, as long as you have the right files, will always work. So let's try doing this for Game Dev Tycoon. We'll get both of them running because the first method does require a little bit of time. So we just go down here and we get to Game Dev Tycoon. What you do is you right click it, you go to your properties, your local files, then you verify the integrity of those files, and while that's running we'll pick a different game. This one I just have to make sure I actually recognize the icon. So we'll do Euro Truck Simulator 2, you go to properties, you go to change icon, and then you want to browse. So I've already done this just to test that it works, but what you'll need to do is you'll need to go to whatever drive Steam is installed on, and then you'll need to actually find Steam. There it is, Steam. And then you'll need to go down to a folder within Steam called Steam, then Games, and this should have every icon, provided the icon itself did not get deleted. Because if the icon itself got deleted, you have to use method 1 to get it to remake this icon. Because I have not found any other way to get around that. And then what you'll need to do is you'll need to make sure you know what icon you're actually looking for, because obviously unless it says the name of it, you're kind of just going on memory. Like for instance, I could set this to have the Grand Theft Auto 5 logo if I wanted, but I want it to have Euro Truck Simulator 2's logo. And so then if I do that, I click OK and apply it. There we go. Now this is fixed. This one's also done. So we had tried that on Game Dev Tycoon. Now if we refresh the page, sometimes this will do it automatically, but like I said, as long as you actually have your folder full of icons, like now that I've gone and done that once, like it'd be pretty easy for me to just do like Sid Meier's Civilization Beyond Earth. I can pretty easily go to change icon, browse, and then it'll automatically bring this up, and I know that Beyond Earth uses this logo. And so once you've found the right folder, it actually doesn't take very long. The only thing with the validating files is it is a little bit more, user-friendly if you don't know where your Steam files are, but if you know where they are, I would just use the second method. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that real quick because I've been having issues with that lately. Note that if you do use the validating files, I don't know if this was caused by doing a bunch of file validation or it was just a coincidence, but my desktop after a restart actually disappeared, and the way to get that back is you need to go to View, and for some reason if this box gets unchecked when it's logging you in, you'll have to come in and recheck it, or if it doesn't show that option, that means that your login failed, and you'll have to Google what problem can cause that, because there's a variety of things that can cause it. But anyway guys, I hope this helped. Thank you for watching. My name is the Rad Man, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!